Welcome to another video for Video Guru Pro. Today we're going to talk about video sound and go a little further in depth and respond to some questions that I received on my last few videos. If you want to check those out, here's a few of the names. I can drop a few links as well. The first question I had: how to add music to videos without keeping the original sound of the video. This user meant to turn off the original sound when adding music to the video and had some issues, so let's dive right into it. To start, let's open up the app, create a new project, and let's look through our video, not our photos, and let's find a video with sound. I made sure I found one a little bit earlier, and we're going to use this one here. It's pretty long and it's got a good amount of noise to it. I'll play it so you can hear what it's like. And let's go to our music tab and find a song.
You lost your way.
Perfect. Now that the song's imported, we can select this item. Notice the blue line. And once that's selected, we can click the volume and start adjusting things.
And it's safe to say that nothing could keep you here with me. And it's what you do. Overcomplicate every conversation as we do. You never show me love. So I think of giving up.
If you want to mute the element, tap the icon.
But I can't stop. 'Cause I want you.
I hope that helped answer the question. Another cool thing you can do is select the blue line again, and you can drag it to one of 3 spots. You can have up to 3 overlapping audio files imported into your video. Audio files include music as well as sound effects. So let's explore this feature and go back to the music icon and over to the effects tab. And let's throw a couple things in here. And I'll show you how to move them around. Again, by clicking and holding the blue line, we can drag it to where we would like.
And it's safe to say that nothing could keep you here with me. And it's what you do.
The last trick I have for you, let me get these sound effects and this song out of the way. If we select our video and start using the split command, I just divided the video up into 4 separate elements. We can now rearrange this. And each segment of this video is now individually controlled. Meaning I can mute one part of the video, have 50% volume at another part, and then have full volume at the end if I'd like. This gives you a great range of customization for your video, as well as the ability to overlap several visual and audio effects. I'm going to let this video play out and kind of let you see how I played with it, and hope this was very helpful. If you like this video, please subscribe. If you have any questions with this app or want me to explore another app, please leave a comment below and I'll see if I can get to it. Thank you.